As usual, I'm making a video middle of work, but this is where I started right now. So this is Honda 2000 to 2001 to 2005 or 4, and this is particular is 2003 or 4, and they have an issue with the serpentine belt, which is came off. If I can able to focus it over here, it came off. It was making a little bit noise, so suddenly it came off. So customer complained me that they're suddenly quiet and they have an issue with the clusters and everything is stop working. So I told them, like, don't drive too much and just park, park at home, and let's see, I'll come back. So starting for that thing, I have to remove the power steering and power steering assembly complete with this bottle. So I'll take it out and put it over there or here, wherever it is convenient for me. Then I'll go for the next belt, because this belt has to be come out. I mean, I don't have to even remove this thing. I just wanted to remove the belt basically. So I'm not doing any other further services. So it's easy if I can remove it. I mean, that's the only thing. You have to anti-clockwise open it and remove 12 volt, and it will come out. And it's easy, much more space you can have it over here. So that's why I was planning to remove it. But there's another way. We can just go down and put a belts, and it will be only for alternator and power steering and compressor, AC compressor. So that will be enough. So both ways you can do it, whatever it suits you. So for me right now, I'm just removing that bolt and just take it off. So I'll make it a little bit space and check if there is a leakage or not. So let me open it. This is 12 millimeter over here, and this is hand tied once you finish it. So right now belt, I can move it and my work will be done within 10 minutes, but I have to check everything. So white belt came out, where's the oil leakage or something I can see it over here, but still it's like it's up to you. So best way, whatever suits you. For me, I can put it on jack and just put a belt, and that's it. Or I have to, if I have to do investigation why the oil leakage, why the belt is came out, or what was the reason, so I have to remove this pump and see visual what I can do it. So hopefully you get the idea. It's not like a what I am doing it, you have to follow that thing, but it's a thing you can do it. So many things, type of the work you can do it. So it's like depend on requirement, fast, normal, checking, not checking, depend. So again, this is Sharo from Auto Services Provider, and hopefully it will help you out. This is how to do it, and this is what I'm doing it right now. Once if I'm getting any trouble or anything, I'll make another part of video portion to just update that issues, and be careful for that. Otherwise everything is look easy, and it's not supposed to be too much problem. Thank you for watching. This is Sharo from Auto Services Provider. Please share, subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.